Hi, this is Tyler Johnston. This is my second attempt at recording my demo for React Native Beta. I didn't have it in a viable file type before, so let's go through this a second time. I'm going to click on our click on the day view, and there we go. Now I've got the demo started. So this is the default day view. As you can see, there is a hub that shows all of your daily goals. You've got swim lanes. You can't really tell that they're swim lanes at this point for meals and activities. Small bug is that everything as it's scrolling is going over the top title bar. That just a small oversight on my part. When I click the edit button, it brings up this dialog. OK or cancel, since we're not filling anything out to change those values. So let's go to meals. If we click add meal, it takes us to a template empty meal where you can enter your date and enter your meal name. You click on the check mark for success or the X button to go back. We want to click on the check mark. So suppose that we had saved 11/11/21 and cereal is the name. Let's add a food. So we added food. We're going to add milk. And then if we kept on adding food, more cards would keep on being added to this list. The list is supposed to grow organically depending on how many items are in the list. So that's not exactly represented by this view. So that's something to bear in mind. If I click X, the milk is removed from the meal. If I go back, or let's re-add milk though. The edit button is not functional. That was the only thing I think I forgot to complete for this assignment. So that's one small thing, though. We'll click on the back button up here to get back to the day view. Now we can see in our swim lane that there's a cereal meal, and it has a list of foods that are part of it. And then if you scroll to the left, you have access to add another meal. If I click on edit, it'll take us into the edit view. But if I click remove, it brings up a confirm removal dialog. Do you want to delete this meal cereal from your history? Okay. So that's really about all there is to show for meals. If we go down to activities, that's not activities. We go to activities, we click add activity, similar to creating a meal, creating an activity. These grayed out values would be where you would type in your information. The key difference being that here you would also be typing in the calories burned and the duration. So we'll click on OK for that. And then we go back and look at our activities swim lane, and this would be what our activity card would look like. And similar to the meal swim lane, you can scroll to the left, add another activity, what have you. Click edit, takes us to this view where, again, grayed out stuff is stuff that you hypothetically could change. We're gonna just cancel that. If we want to remove from this view, so confirm removal, do you want to delete this activity from your history? Okay. Well, now we're back kind of to having a default day view. And that really covers pretty much all of the functionality of this demo. So thank you for your time and have a good night.